Namaste, konnichiwa, bonjour, ni hao, swatika, varakkam, salam alaikum, ciao, hola, privyr, and a very warm welcome to all of you in our double Diwali Bonanza program of Delhi Ikebana International. A special welcome to Madam Chikage Suzuki, wife of the Ambassador of Japan to India, various directors of Ikebana International Headquarters, senior teachers, all chapter heads, board members, and all we lovely Ikebana friends. Diwali is a 5-day festival of light which is celebrated with great enthusiasm by millions of Indians all across the globe. A New Year celebration according to the Hindu calendar, a post-harvest festival, a festival of new beginnings, the triumph of good over evil and light over darkness. All in all, Diwali personifies growth, joy, and good fortune. Creativity, according to Charles Mingus, is more than just being different. Making the simple, awesomely simple, that's creativity. And what better occasion to enhance our creative skills than the festival of Diwali? Today, Delhi Ikebana International brings to you a very innovative and creative person, Mrs. Shalini Beriwal, who believes that the beauty is not just about looking perfect, it is about creating your own individuality. Shalini ji would be showing us how to add that extra touch of personal to our homes and gifting so as to make our festival season extra special. Mrs. Shalini Beriwal spearheads the brand Magnificence, which has designed for brands like Rosenthal and Ladro. A multifaceted lady who has won many awards for her outstanding achievements in the fields of home decor celebrations, art of becoming a perfect hostess, personal event planning, table layouts, gift packing. She also runs the Magnificent Academy, wherein thousands of students have enhanced their talent of creativity. Before we begin today's program, I'd like to request Madam Chikage Suzuki to kindly address all of us. Thank you.
Happy Diwali! I moved in Delhi right after Diwali nearly 2 years ago, and then due to the pandemic, I haven't experienced the true Diwali yet. Last year, some of my friends sent me the photos of the festival so I could feel the atmosphere of Festival of Lights. Today, I'm afraid I can't join the program. I'm very sorry because one of my favorite pastimes is wrapping. I've collected many papers, ribbons, and useful materials for decorations at many places where I've lived or visited. Of course, I've already bought many beautiful Indian papers and ribbons. I will see the demonstration by Shalini ji later on Facebook. I'm looking forward to taking a look at her excellent techniques. I have to be ready to the festival seasons. Namaskar.
Okay, so hello everyone, and thank you so much, Neena ji, President Delhi Ikebana International Society, and Madame Chikage Suzuki, and Kavita ji, Kavita Poddar. I saw Namita, a lot of my friends here. You know, मैं आज जो लेके आई हूँ ऐसे लग रहा है जैसे सूर्य के आगे किरणें दिखाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. Can you imagine? In front of me are the best in the world. And when Neena ji asked me, तो मैंने सोचा मुझे फूल तो सजाने नहीं आते. I don't know how to do flowers and all. But yes, we Indians are known for our jugaad. And we can do anything in the world and do it successfully. So it's a very small attempt where me and a couple of my students are going to show how can we add different materials. We are so fond of jewelry, we are so fond of gotas and brocade. How do we mix it with the fresh flower? So there are no rules I'm following. There is no studies I have. There is no techniques I have, except that they are pretty to the eyes. They are pretty to my eyes. They are beautiful to my eyes. And I hope they will be beautiful to your eyes also. Already Neena ji has introduced me. in many ways. I want to share screen with you people and show you my brand, Magnificence. So Magnificence is my brand. I want to show you some of the things which I tried doing as a flowers. And here are they, very simple, desi gulab, desi genda. And if you see here, Meena done with some other plants. If you want to see some of the works, please, you can go to Magnificence official and see some of the flowers which we have mixed. And few designs I've got here with me. So are you ready? Are you ready to really see how Indians have a wonderful jugaad? And please do comment. I need to know whether it is interesting to you. So Sumita Diwan has posted Instagram of Magnificence. You people can save it to yourself. And then if anybody wants to see, please do see. तो चलिए अपने शुरू करते हैं. सबसे पहले I'm going to now have this camera close and have another camera on. Can they see me now? Can everybody see me? Because I can see the chat. So please type in anybody can see. Can you all see me and hear me well? I need to have it on the chat. The Vidhi says yes. Okay, great. So I'm up and I want to shoot. अच्छा, एक और मैं बात बताऊं. जब मैंने इसको करना था ना, तो मैं कल flower mandi गई. I went to flower mandi. I don't know many of the names of the flowers. I just picked up what I liked. I asked some people what it is. जो उन्होंने मुझे बताया, उतने नाम मैं आपको बता पाऊंगी. So this is one of the leaves they get. I love the leaves. It's sturdy, and I think he called it Drycinzia or something like that. I don't know the name what it is. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to just create a strip. Then another strip I'm going to take out from here, so that is the center hard portion moves out, and what I have here is a soft strip of a pet leaf, and I'm going to roll it like this, and then staple. So I've stapled like this. What I have done here is I've already made loads and loads of rings. मैंने यहाँ पे छोटे बड़े rings बना के रखे हुए हैं. You can see all that. I'm going to remove these pattis from here. Can I have the board, please? So what I'm going to show you now, let's remove this because to save time, I've done that. So this, if you move to people people have joined us from Malaysia, people have joined us from other countries also for them. If Nishu can focus on the work here. This work is called Meenakari work, and it is done in a place in Rajasthan called Nathdwara. This is an unconventional color. Generally, they do it with red, green, blues. We have done it with, opaque pink, opaque pishta green, and all to give it a new look. Now, I have these rings here. So I'm going to place these rings and set it the way I like it. So koi mushkil nahi. The idea of today's workshop is that you don't need to be a trained florist or a trained flower artist. Nature is so bountiful. Nature is already, if you see, synchronized. It always looks pretty. Aap garden mein jao, it's always nice. Have you ever seen, no, this flower is not at place or that is. So looking at that, this is here. Can I get the flowers, please? So what I'm going to do here is scissor. I'm going to push some roses in it. Going to push some roses in it. So I'm going, this is concept has been taken from Rangoli. We Indian, we always do Rangoli on the festival time. So I'm making a Rangoli here, a very modern concept to it. Here, I can do like this. Like this. Can we have some bela flowers, please? So then I have these bela, and I'm just putting it into this. When you all are watching, Kavita ji, Nina, our madam, I'm so bad at pronunciation also. तो मेरे हाथ कांप रहे हैं कि मैं जो कर रही हूँ वो आपको कैसा लग रहा होगा. and I hope you will love it. It's a simple way of doing. You can't go wrong with the design. And then to match my color of the paint, I have picked up these daisies, which I'm going to spread around the way I wish to, the way I like it. There is no sequence, no style to it. Just do the way your heart says. Listen to your heart. It's beautiful when it's pleasant to your eyes. It's like a music. When I'm doing it, I can feel the vibration in my body. How many of you, Neena ji, do you feel it so? Kavita ji, जब एक अच्छा सा डिजाइन बन रहा होता है कितना अच्छा लगता है ना? So here, so done this. And this. So if I wish to put, I can put another flower, but I think this is all right. Then as it's a Diwali time, I want to use it as a gifting. So it's a box where my gift goes, or I can have it at my home as a display. Then comes some more daisies. So I'm here just using some little big sticks, some little smaller ones, and it goes here. Here. So if I want to use it to serve food, I just remove this from here. I just remove this from here and have a bowl to serve food. I want to gift it to somebody. I can just carry it. I want to put it in my puja room. I can do that. Tell me, how do you like it? It's quick, easy, and fast. So it's quick. Anju says, from where do I get the daisies? Anju ji, I got these daisies from the flower mandi, which is at Akshardham here. And Nina says from the florist. Yes, Nina ji, you can get it from the florist. How do you like it? Tell me, easy and beautiful. Somebody says, how do you like it? So can you show the close-up of all this here? So when you say beautiful, believe me, it becomes beautiful. Beauty lies in the eyes of beholder. कुछ भी चीज किसी ने कितनी भी खूबसूरत बनाई हो, जब तक वो आपको सुंदर नहीं लगेगी, तब तक उसका कोई भी मतलब नहीं है. So can we remove? Have you taken screenshots so that you can use it? People, you can use it on the floor. You make a lot of rings, bada, chota. You can make rings of paper. आप पेपर को काट के रिंग्स बनाएं and then fill up with the flowers. You can make rings from ribbons, not green leaves. If you don't want to use, you can use that also. So the idea is to have an outer casing. You can make drop shapes also. I can take out one and show you from here. अगर मैं इसको ये निकाल लूं यहाँ से, so I can make a kind of a drop and staple it here and staple it here also. So मैं अगर चाहूँ तो ऐसा एक drop बना के drops लगा सकती हूँ, flower का shape दे सकती हूँ. तो all the people like me who doesn't have a very steady hand on, you know, cutting and all, it's an easy way to make your rangolis. So when we say how long does it stay without water, if you want to, वैसे तो रंगोली ऐसे ही बनती है. There are no, oases and all put below that. If you wish to, the roses can have a little moss or a green oasis below, and then roses को आप set कर सकते हो उसके अंदर. But Bela is always like this, maybe a moist cotton fabric or something below, and then this is how it is. So which leaves that Nina can help, or somebody can unmute and tell Nina you want to. I think he said Dracenia. He said Dracenia leaf. Can we see the leaf, please? This is the leaf, and I asked this guy what this name of the leaf is. He said Dracenia. So ye wohi hoga if any. Yes. So we have Sumita Bhargav saying it is Dracenia. Thank you, Sumita. Sumita is a MAP student and a US student. So just to tell you, I'm a trainer. I train people in gift packaging, and also I'm a success coach. I train women into business. So Sumita, and thank you, Sumita. I can see you on the chat on my left. Thank you so much. So let's move ahead, and we have to do about 9 to 10 designs. We have wonderful free gifts for you people, which will transform your life, I assure you. So be with us for the entire program. You'll enjoy. So I'll just remove this. And now what I have here is this. I don't know what you call them. It was very beautiful. There was a guy selling the greens. Can we have it here? There was a guy selling the greens. तो मुझे ये बड़े अच्छे लग रहे थे. और the beauty of this is कि when you pluck, you can really make a knot. Can you believe? It's a fresh green and you can make a knot. Can I have this, please? हाँ, you can make a knot. So हमने यहाँ पर अगर इसको knot करा, अगर मैं, so I'm going to prepare something for your dining table. It's not going to be the entire arrangement. Baskets दे दे मेरे को. So what I'm going to do is I have this mirror here. So something for you to serve food we are going to do. And here I'll do 3 pieces. वो भी दे दीजिए आप मेरे को. Okay, I'll do 1. तो हमने क्या करना है, हमने ये लिया, मैंने या क्लियर वॉइस है बिल्कुल. सो ये मैंने यहाँ पर किया और एक छोटा सा मैं ये वायर ले रही हूँ ताकि इसको मैं यहाँ पे होल्ड करा सकूं. सो आई एम जस्ट ब्रिंगिंग दिस डाउन एंड होल्डिंग. इसका एक बड़ा वाला यहाँ पर वो दिखा दो. दिस इज जस्ट टू होल्ड इट सो दैट जहां पे भी हमको अच्छा लगे, घुमा के फिरा के, जैसे आपकी आंखों को अच्छा लगे. Trust your instinct. God has made man very, very powerful, extremely powerful. So, and if we don't force our likes and dislikes, so universe, we are sync with the universe. So over here, I've done this. So can I have some more of these? Agar isme, we have these kinds also. This is a thicker version of these. So agar hum chahein, तो एक थिकर वर्जन भी ले सकते हैं और उसको रोल करके, I'm going to cut this and just make sure that it holds. That's it. So this comes here. Now the magic starts. So what I have, can I get the gun, please? So I'm going to take out the gun here. So what I have here, look at these, please. So I have 2 kinds. One is a silver finish, one is gold. We Indians are very fond of jewelry. So I'm going to put this here. And before that, I'm going to light this candle. Put this here and make it a little bigger. So gun leke, I'll take the gun, put a glue and paste this here. Take another one in a silver finish to show you both the looks and place it here. And inside that also, I'm going to place a tea light. So Diwali is coming without, and here on the matching for you to serve food, I have another jadau here coming. With this, I've already cut some small daisies. Can we see that flower pot, please? So ये जैसे हमने पहले we had these green daisies. So can Mitu you show? This is like, you get them like this in a flower space. ऐसे मिलते हैं आपको और काफी hardy है ये. They don't get spoiled very fast. So Nina needs to be unmuted. So Nina ji, 1 minute. So Nina Verma, please unmute yourself, Nina ji. 1 minute. Nina ji, please.
I am.
Okay.
Shalini ji, you continue. I am.
Okay.
Thank you.
So I have these daisies, and daisies don't get spoiled if you are putting a glue. If you don't want to move the piece, means अगर आपकी table पर इसने move नहीं करना है, then you don't really need to paste it also. But only if you want to gift it to somebody in your gifting platter, of course you need to paste, and nothing happens. I'm delivering a lot of these kinds of stuff to my clients in my gift packaging. Look at this. Can you see this? How gorgeous it looks with this jarao. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it beautiful? Similarly, a smaller piece. So we have it here with lesser of flowers, with more jarao showing. And then my serving platter, because serving platter is going to, of course, move. So I'm going to have it stuck with the gun. So the serving, it's going to stay with you for a day. You can make some, put it in the fridge. I have done a lot of work with like making and keeping it in a boxes in the fridge. It stays fresh. No issues nahi hai uske andar. You will enjoy. So this is called Indian Jugaad, how we all work. So it's here. Let's keep it here. So I think this is quite enough. So if you, now I have these, so supposingly there are chutney bowls to go. Can we have these? So there's a chutney bowls too. You want to have some chutney bowls to go. So we have these chutney bowls. I already have these done. So I put a glue here and put this, or some kind of a condiments. So you can have a smaller bowl. You can just have it for the beauty, not serving anything, not doing anything. And so I'll cut another one and make a smaller piece. So you can make a smaller, not bigger, not. Look at the pliability. I'm simply amazed at how nature, manifests itself. So beautiful. Then I have this jarao here, and then this, and then this. So I'm going to have another jarao. These comes in a packets like these to show you. In the market, you'll get them in the packet like these. And it comes here. So your ordinary, simple serving platters, kitchenware can be so beautifully. Can you see? So this is, please remove all this. Yeah. Can just have a look. Just have a look. Isn't it beautiful? So somebody says, from where do I get the mirror poster? Sushma ji, I'm a gift packer, designer. I have worked for the likes of Nita Ambani, Vanna Luthra, ZTV, Action Shoes, practically. I'll just neaten up the piece here. And so this is very easy. You can go to a mirror shop, ask them to bevel the mirror. Otherwise, it's easy. आपके भी बगल के shop में कहीं ना कहीं जरूर से होगा. Or you can call me up. I can help you in your city, wherever you are. आपको वहां से जरूर मिलेगा. So how everybody likes it. So Meenakshi says it's absolutely elegant. Preeti says amazing. Can you please pick up this, please? Yeah. So yeah, so this is wine jugaad. So do you see there's no mouse use? So when I go to a flower mandi, which I go very often just for the sake of going to a flower mandi, And it's such fun. It's such fun. You go, there are local crops, there are crops from India, there are crops from the world over, and you just browse. And I think it's just too good. कोशिश करिए कि आपके शहर के अंदर जो भी फ्लावर प्लेस हो जहाँ पे होल सेलिंग फ्लावर्स की होती है, go and spend some hours there. Go to any nation when you are going for the holiday, going to Bangkok for a holiday in a flower mandi. I think it's really beautiful. जाके अगर आप देखेंगे ना तो आपको वहाँ की आत्मा की खूबसूरती का पता लगेगा. You will know how people beautifully creates things. तो चलिए, now it's a time for us to invite a guest. So it's a time for us to invite a guest. I'm going to spotlight Swati Gadevar here. People tell me, Shalini, you manage your all things your own. Yes, I love it. So I'm not Swati Gadevar Nagpur. I'm adding a spotlight to Swati and removing spotlight from Shalini Beriwal here. So Shalini, can you please remove the spotlight? Yeah. Swati, you are on the spotlight. Over to you.
Yes,
People
ma'am.
can see you. And Swati is from Nagpur. And thank you, Swati, for taking my request and today showcasing us something very, very beautiful. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity. Hello, friends. Jai Shri Krishna to all. And happy is Diwali this year. I'm Swati Gadevar from Nagpur. I'm a floral artist by God's grace. And I design all flower variables for weddings and all other occasions also. My firm's name is It's New Always, and I always try to give something new to everyone. And main is I'm Shalini ma'am's student from us. And when Shalini ma'am is there, we have to be very creative. So today I have, as Diwali is the festival of prosperity, health, and wealth. Today I am showcasing some Jugaad flower as our name, Jugaad. Today I am showcasing some twist with flowers, and for that I have used dry fruits. I have used many other things. So first we'll see what I have made, and then I'll show you how to make it also, a few things, few foldings. So this is what I've designed for you all today. It is totally a flower jugaad with lotus flowers and with dry fruits, elaichi, green elaichi. This is cardamom, what I have used here. These are green betel leaves, that is pan ka patta, बीड़े का पत्ता. ये हमारे समृद्धि का प्रतीक है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ग्रीनरी के साथ साथ ये हमारे सभी डाइटीज को बहुत प्रिय है. लोटस इज अगेन एन ऑस्पिशियस एंड अ ट्रेडिशनल फ्लावर. बादाम, which brings health, wealth, and prosperity every time. So all these things I have used to make a flower jugaad. Hope you all have liked this. And as Diwali is coming, few candles are also there. I'll show you how to make this cone from a betel leaf. So right now I'm showing you to make a cone. It's a very simple. I think Ikebana people don't need this, but still it's a jugaad, so I have to tell you. I have just folded this triangle and put a skewer there, and I've put a skewer here, and I've just put it in the oasis, which is beneath this, beneath the flowers. So I've just put it there. So it is really very easy. One more time, if you want me to tell, I can tell you. This is a betel leaf, which I am folding it in a triangle way. And about the lotus flowers, again, I have folded the leaves, and it is really very simple. Only the thing is you have to know the trick how to fold it. And this way, once you have to fold this like this, and again one time more. So this is the way we can fold a lotus flower and make it something look different with this. These are Lakshmi Kamal. These are known as a Lakshmi Kamal. Only these flowers we can fold, the leaves. बाकी जो दूसरा वाला plain kamal comes in the market, we don't, those leaves we cannot fold. So this is the way I'm folding it, and it stays long, almost 2-3 days. It stays like that only. So this is the way I have folded all the kamal lotus flowers, what I have put in the arrangement, and this is how we are. I've made badam pendants by sticking it with a glue stick actually, so that we can remove it and reuse it. All the things like elaichis also we can reuse it, and this is how I have tried to make a flower jugaad. Hope you all have liked
So,
it. Once
so,
again, Shalini ma'am, I
so
thank you.
Swati, let's have
Yes,
a
ma'am.
close up. Let's have a close up
Yes,
of
yes,
all
yes,
the
ma'am.
flowers. So if you see here, कि जितनी भी चीजें auspicious है, the cardamoms. So can we have a more close up of the cardamom flower, please? Can we have the more close up of the cardamom flower? She makes
Yes,
beautiful cardamom jewelry. Lovely cardamom
yes,
jewelry Swati makes, looks amazingly pretty. Similarly, during our holy festivals and other festivals, India is used to having a dry fruit, garlands, jewelry, cardamom. From there, we drive that concept. And Kamal, which is a symbolic of Devi Lakshmi, goddess Lakshmi, comes the prosperity. And with all these elaichi and dry fruit, which is again Simriddhi ka Dyotak, the whole design has been made. Thank you. I hope you love it. If you love it, please type in. Please do type in here. And Swati, thank you
thank you so
so
much,
much
ma'am.
for
Once
giving
again,
it. Thank
thank you
you
so
so much.
much.
Can
Thank you
we
so
all
much.
applause for Swati? Can
Thank
we
you so
all
much, ma'am.
applause for Swati? And it's beautiful to see her creations. Swati, if you can put your Instagram handle so that people can see what all you do, would be
Yes,
very,
ma'am.
very nice. Can you do
Sure,
that,
ma'am.
please?
Thank you so much. Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you. So moving back here, what I have done, if you see on the table, what you see on the table, all my old saris and dupattas, I got them pasted with glued bakram. We get already adhesive included bakram, and so it has become. And there is a bijia, that's an Indian gota. It's called bijia, has been put. So if you see, whatever fabric I had, I have used it. Now, to create another, look, I have this mirror. You may or may not use it, using a champagne glass to show another face of modern India. Have this here. So I'm going to make another rangoli. So use all your dupattas, use all your stuff here. This is gajra. We use it for Jaimala, and when we have God's garden, malas made, that's garland, we use it. So I went to the mandi, they were making these garlands. This was not a part of the design. I made this a part of a design because I thought this will look amazingly pretty. And then what we have here, so I can, just have this rounded, and putting this here anyway, just couple of them, just putting it here. You may put the mirror, you may not put the mirror, it's your wish. And I have Dolly Aneja, one of our very, very dear student, helped me finding the right candles, but I'll put the candle later on. Can I have some Baylan? So what I have here is the roses, our Rangoli flowers. We have our Bela. We have two color of Genda coming in. Very simple. Use your old saris, use your old dupattas to create patches. Use whatever flowers you get, no issues. And then just start pouring it in with no sequence as such. You can just, जो भी करेंगे वो अच्छा लगेगा. It will look nice no matter what. I bet you. Again, use your innate instinct how it will look pretty. I never have done it before कि मैं इसको ऐसे ही करूंगी. I just do it the way I like when I am demonstrating, and God has been always kind that it comes out pretty. You have to tell me how pretty it is to your eyes, or दे दीजिए इसमें. Okay. So here, so I'm doing these easy, simple methodology. So all my friends here who are not not done Rangoli, thinking that it may not come out well with them. So please, this is a very simple way of doing. Don't miss out this Diwali. Take out your saris and use. So we are using two colors of gendas to give it a more festive look. And wherever I feel is right, I'm putting it. If I would have done it like thoda sa time se, so I'll make it a point that I just remove the extras from here and there. And right now, because we have lesser time, I want to show you many, many things. So I'm just putting it comfortably. So I'll just neaten it up. Iska dark color bhi de do ek baar dobara. So we have these Bela flowers. So we are going to have, and then I'm going to have a blob of it in the center. Put a candle here. So some Bela here. Some here. Some here. How many of you are going to use your sarees? Tell me this time. So all of us have stopped wearing most of the time sarees. So this time the sarees are going to create wonders on your table and you can use it so many times. आप इसको use करें, pick it up, keep it back. You can use it in any of the ways. Please have this. So Mridula says, I'm going to use. That's beautiful, Mridula. Thank you. If you will use it, my demonstration will have some value. Okay, Mridula has used it. Great. So I'm going to put these flowers here. These flowers here. So when you do it at home, do make sure that you neaten it up a bit. So Alka Mehta says, looking beautiful and nice. Thank you, Alka. You know, I have my laptop on my side where I can see you people. I'm not using my table as a whole. Yeah. Now, can I get the candles, please? Oh, then Dolly has been really nice to send me some candles which already has a Bela look to it. Thank you, Dolly, for doing so. So you're going to put the candles in. Iske andar, I need to fill up the flowers. Bela de dijiye dobara. These Damru shaped candles can come on these as well. Can you hold the tray for me, please? So here it goes. So here it goes. And Genda did it. Here it goes. Can we have some Genda flowers, please? Yeah. Yeah. So we are going to fill up these glasses with little Genda and put the candle in it. Put some. So it's champagne celebration with Indian lights. Hanji. So how do you like it? How do you like it? Simple way to do your rangolis, your stuff. Use all your combinations, old dupatta, saris will look so beautiful, so pretty, so nice. So lovely. So I'm just reading some of your comments while Nishu is shooting the design. So let's have some here. Before we move ahead, I want to, and Nishu, can we have the whole design? They can take the screenshot and then I'll have some conversation. By the time they will remove the material from the table for the next demo. Yeah. ठीक है, आपने दिखा दिया. Okay. So when my team is cleaning this table, can you please clean the table, please? Can you please clean the table, please? So I want to tell you, all these flowers which you see here is auspicious flowers. हमारे में roses, गेंदा and बेला का फूल जो है, it is devoted to prayer. Recently, I have to tell you, I'm a spiritual narrator. Neville Goddard have written a beautiful book on prayer, the art of believing. He says the way we pray to God is also a matter of faith, and it is an art we need to learn so that we are into it all the time. That book we are reading, and it's a 30-page book, and it's especially for Diwali, when we do Lakshmi Puja, when we do Ganesh Puja. My heartiest wish is that all of you listen to that book and understand the crux of the prayer. All of you who want to be in that group, I will ask my soul, my right hand, my strength, Sumita Diwan, to please share the link of prayer book. Join us. I'm giving you 1 minute. Do join. It's a 10 minutes audio which will come to you every day till Diwali, so that you get the crux. Ki yaar, in my prayer, what am I saying? In my prayer, how my faith affects, and it has reference to beautiful sayings from our ancient texts. 1945 में ये book लिखा गया था, and till now it's the same, because prayer is the same, isn't it? So I'm giving you, this already. I'm going to freeze this. I'm going to freeze. So nobody can now send a message, so that you have our WhatsApp group link here. And I've spoken it in Hindi and English mix, so that you can understand the language. And you'll have to excuse me because it's a very different kind of English. Maybe I've made some pronunciation mistake, but I will wish that you join me into this. And how many of you are joining? Please type in yes. The link is already there. And many of you are already there. If they can later on share their experience about it, how it is to be in that group. Yeah. So name of the author, Aruna Kirpal says it's Neville Goddard. Nivel and Goddard. Neville Goddard is the name of the book. Now, because they have not still cleaned the table, so I'm going to invite my next guest. And she is also amazing. You will be, anybody of you, I'm going to now allow everybody to send messages. Okay, so you can all send message now. How many of you know about Thai art of folding leaves? How many of you know regarding the Thai art of folding leaves? Yes. Anju ji, please aap link pe type in kare. Abha Singhania says yes. All of you know. So this friend of mine from Bangalore, and she's been a student, does beautiful Thai leaf folding art, giving it an Indian touch. And how many of you believe कि घर में अगर तोरण लगी हुई होती है, दरवाजे पे बंधनवार लगी हुई होती है, that brings good omen. Not only makes house look beautiful, but it's a good omen. How many of you think this? Please type in. I need your participation. आपकी एनर्जी के बिना कैसे एनर्जी आएगी, मुझे ये बताइए. Yes, Alpana, you are joining. Wow, you all believe. Wonderful. So I'm going to spotlight Rajni ji here and see. So Rajni, I'm spotlighting you for everyone. Yes, you are spotlighted, Rajni, for everyone. Welcome, Rajni. This unusual event which Neena ji has got us in, and it's wonderful to be in this space. Absolutely, in this space, absolutely. Yes, Rajni, over to you. क्या दिखा रही हैं आपको? पहले आप मुझे ये बताएं, what inspired you to create it into an Indian way? What inspired you?
The art was not familiar in India, so it inspired me to bring out a book on the art, and after that I've been continuously engaged in that. Hello?
Yeah, Rajni.
Yeah.
Yes, Rajni, please over to you.
Yeah, I am Rajni Ramkumar from Art
Yeah.
Crumbs. Art Crumbs is a team of friends who are working together to promote the art of banana leaf folding, popularly known as Thai art. I'm a student of Shalini Beriwal, and after I joined her, lot of activity is going on in my work. I would like to show some of my yeah.
Oh wow, this is so beautiful. This is so
This is
very
a
beautiful.
decorative piece. You can place it anywhere on a center table or in a puja room. Just a decorative piece.
Wow, wow, wow.
And this can be a arti thali or whatever you want to place on it.
So lovely. So beautiful. Rajni, we can't see you.
Yeah. This is a base for the idol. Can you see us?
Yes, of course, we can see you. It's really, really very beautiful. Very, very beautiful.
Yeah. You can place a lamp on it or an idol or whatever your choice. And this is a tea light holder. And this is a toran, which I'll be showing you with different.
So are you going to teach us these tools today?
Yeah, toran I'll be demonstrating today.
Wow.
And
we are really
since this is
the
a Ikebana group.
Yeah.
Yeah. Since this is an Ikebana group, I thought I'll make some more where they can use in arrangement the motif. We can make sizes of mango and use them in the flower arrangements. There's also one motif. It can be also used in backdrops.
Wow, this is so beautiful. So very beautiful.
I'll be showing you one.
So Rajni is going to show us some folds.
This is a cone. I'm going to insert a bud in that and roll it over. To this, I'm going to add. This is banana leaf. I have removed the center stem and made it into strips. It's very pliable when you remove the stem. It's very easy to tear it like this. So I put one more from the other side.
It's looking very beautiful. Rajni, you're very nice.
Thank you, Shalini. I have put one more cone.
Very, very nice. And Swati, we can do it all. So there is a question for you, Rajni, that what is the white thing on the tip?
It's supposed to be a flower, but this one is a plastic one. Gardenia flower.
Okay, it is supposed to be a gardenia flower, but right now what you are using is a plastic, right?
Yeah. So you need to take a ribbon and staple the foldings next to each other. And this is another fold. "45 degrees, 90 degrees, 45 degrees, 90 degrees. Then I fold a rose petal, put it there, and fold from both the sides. This is an envelope folding. We have given names to the foldings.
Wow, so beautiful. Very interesting.
I'm putting an envelope in between. This fold name is embellish. In between embellish, I'm putting envelopes. And this I have left it to tie it to wherever you like. And you finish off by stapling this, and you can put any decorative kundans or whatever you wish here to add color to the.
Yeah, I think it's so beautiful on its own. I think it's so beautiful. How many of you agree that it's so beautiful on its own? It's so nice on its own that you don't need to add anything, isn't it? That
Yes.
you don't need to add anything to it. It's so pretty by itself. So there is a question. Brinda Gupta says, "Do you take classes? Aap classes lete hain?"
Yes,
right.
we do
Yes,
take online classes.
Rajni takes classes, and it is a 5-day session. And regarding the fee, Rajni, if somebody can put your contact details here, so that anybody who wants to do Rajni's sessions can be there, and I can vouch for it. A lot of our academy students, so for all of you, we'll teach 6 months course, which is a packaging course. People who want to become professional into it, they participate. So Nishu, who's shooting me, also my student, and I'm blessed to have all of them there. So anybody of you really want to know this art, so please do join Rajni. And Mansa says, "Thank you, I learned something." Christiana says, "Beautiful." Sangeeta Ria says, "Beautiful." So Rajni Ramkumar's Instagram, Facebook handle is here. Please do join. Okay, Rajni, can we have a look of all the things you are showing us again? Thank you. So Vinda says, "There's no words, no words." So beautiful. Can we see? Can we have another look? So अगर आप देखें कि एक सिंपल केले का पत्ता कितनी तरह से रजनी ने उसको क्रिएटिवली फोल्ड किया है, and she has made it so very beautiful, so lovely. If there is any other question somebody wants to know, please. Sweetie Khandel says that do you have a YouTube channel? Yes, Sweetie, we do have a YouTube channel. And if you want to see it because you are late, you'll have to tell me, Shalini, I want to see. I'll help you in that. So beautiful, beautiful, Rajni. You have done a beautiful job. Thank you so much, Rajni, for adding value to our session today, to our webinar, to showing how one skill of a country can be used into another country, adding their cultural value. Thank you so much for being with us. Thank you so much. So I'm going to remove the spotlight from her. Thank you so much. Okay, Rajni's book, I forgot. So Rajni has authored a book where all the pictures are there, all the techniques are there. This book is available at Amazon. Rajni, am I right that this is available at Amazon?
Yes, Sharon.
Yeah. So you people all can buy the book, join her sessions to be master of the same art. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. So, okay. So I'm back with you. Okay. So Nishu says, ma'am, please spotlight your camera. Give me a minute. So here, Shalini Beriwal to be spotlighted. Am I there? Great. So great. So I want to have it here. So what I went to Flash, so I found these. मुझे बड़े ही अच्छे लग रहे थे. It is so interesting. Do you see the shading, which is gray and gray to pink? And in 150 rupees, he gave me a huge, huge bundle of it. And what I did was I matched a rose to it. With this pink, I matched a rose to it and took a ring, took a couple of pieces of this, tied it along with the rose and added a gota to it. Look at this piece here now. This is my napkin ring. How do you find the idea of making a napkin ring? So here I have another one. And what I've done is I've taken this, we call it a Swarovski. Yeah, these are the diamonds. In India, we love jewelry. Women, save all the year earnings to buy beautiful jewelry. So these are the napkin rings I've created for this design. You can use it for your table. You can use it for anything you wish to. So ye nahi chahiyega. Okay, now what else have I done? So I've taken these leaves. Here, can I have the scissor, please? यहाँ नहीं है. So here, ये देखिए, ये है. मैंने इसे यहाँ से काट लिया थोड़ा. I have these diamond chain with me. Going to cut here. Then use a glue gun on the center of it and then press this here. Look at this. Looks so ornate. So ornate. All of a sudden, ऐसे नहीं लगता कि सीधे जैसे a woman, my fair lady picture always inspires me. Always. From a village, it becomes a city girl. So it has become a city girl from a village. Now, how are we going to use it? So I'm a Marwadi, I'm a Bania, and from Rajasthan. So this state fascinates me. So what I have, and courtesy, these pieces is my another student. I have these patras. If you see here, this is a chitai work done. ये आप देखिए, ये शीट है, नीचे वुडन पट्टा होता है, वुडन बेस होता है, उसके ऊपर शीट को एम्बॉस करके ये पीसेस बनते हैं. So I have one here. As I want to create some layering, I have these glasses from my kitchen. You can use glue dots on the top so that it doesn't go here and there. I'm using it. Can I have these two of these, please? So I have another one coming here, just making it little more. So giving it a little, now what am I going to do? So can I have the gota, please? So Neetu wants to be unmuted. I can unmute. Neena ji, are you unmuted? So Neena ji, please unmute yourself. I'm not muting anybody otherwise. Neena ji, please unmute yourself. Neena, oh.
Right. Yeah, now I am. Thank you.
Because it's not happening from my end. I'm working here.
Okay.
So, so यहाँ आए हम. अब मैंने करा क्या है? How many of you are familiar with these gotas? Right? So मैंने किया क्या है? I've taken this rough gatta and I'm putting these gotas on it. And now you're going to see a miracle. I have some spray. This is pink in color, matching to my roses. And I'm spraying, and I'm spraying, and I'm spraying, and I'm spraying. Can you see how beautiful it changes the color? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Isn't it amazing? Is it amazing? So I have already done loads of these with me in my hand, and I'm just going to place some of them. So you want to make gifting option, you can paste it in a double-sided tape. You want to use it at your home, then you don't need to use double-sided tape. I'm just seeing which area I have sprayed and then using it. So let's put it here, let's put it here, here and here. Some of them comes here. कुछ हम try कर रहे थे. This was an experiment which we did, and I just love the way the gota looks now. So it comes here. Now in India we have a art called bandish. So ये दे दीजिए सारे. इसको look at this piece here. ये तार के, it has been wired. It is called bandish. It's lovely, and the tassel has also come. That lamba tassel, please show me that as well. So this is bandish. So I'm putting these on the top. इसका पैकेट कहाँ है? ये दे दीजिए सारे मुझे. So here I'm putting these bandish on the top. So Indian gota painted in a very, very Western color with bandish. Color is rose quartz. And I have some of these embroidered pieces. Can I have a scissor to trim? And here I'm using these pieces. On some can I have some diamonds, please? Can I have some diamonds, please? So in some, I'm going to put these diamonds. On some, I'm going to put these small pieces. Here it goes. Here it goes. Here it goes. Yeah. So another piece. Can we remove this from here, please? Thank you. So if you want to add some more pieces. Yeah. So this is to bring the royalties of India. ये जो गोटे हैं, they are very sasta, and generally people use in loads on loads in making. Village women really use it. So we are bringing city and village together. Now, what I have here is a beautiful elephant to complete my gifting. And it's here. And maybe I'll put it like this. Can you show, please? Now, this is called Mudai, the same thing, but in Mudai. If anybody really wants to make it look more elaborate, you can have a bunch here, follow. You want to make it look more elaborate, you can have, this has just come, already the session has started, the Karigar got it now. So I work with a lot of artisans. And if you are doing a centerpiece like, these are Mudai and these are glass beads. These are glass beads. What you see here is a glass beads. There's a city called Pudgil. It is a story, when kabhi fursat mein honge to aapko sunaungi. It's a 4 hours away from Hathras. These beads, can you focus on these beads? And Pudgil hai, and about 8 years back, there was no way to transport except a bus which will reach there once a day. And I first saw my jugaad there. So in a balgadi, they had put a kind of, a kind of an electric gadget, so that it will could and move. And I asked them, how are you doing it? How is it working without a bullock or a cart? They said, this is what we call a jugaad. From there, I took the word jugaad in my life, right? So we have it here. And if I want to complete, if you see, using the same materials, what I have here is a created an arrangement. Same gota, same this. The pattis here, you can have a patti coming from here. Can we have some more pattis? Like, so agar aap chahe, so मैंने scissor कहीं रख दिया. if I want to, I will use some more of these. So I'll use some more of this to complete. Yeah. The way I showed you before, just creating a vein and pasting it in the center. That's it. So easy and so simple to do, right? And cutting it and just fixing it here wherever you wish to. I don't like it here. I put it here only. How beautiful it looks. Tell me, how do you like it? How? Okay, great, great, great. So I want to mention another student before we go ahead. So these would be the napkin rings. And this is a napkin sent by Rachna from Nagpur to me. And when I was telling her that we want to do something with the elephants, and I'm using a patra, so she sent me this napkin. And she also sent me this mat. Can I have some goteka food? She sent me this mat. Along with that, she sent me a ring and a napkin holder and a tray to match and a coaster. And she said, Shalini ma'am, try करें कि इससे कैसा लगेगा. Can I see? हाँ, can I have? तो अगर हम ऐसा भी कुछ लेते हैं, if you don't have these pattas, like the one I'm using here, अगर आपके पास ये नहीं है, so Rachna is from Nagpur. You can be in touch. I don't know whether she's here. I haven't heard. And you can use, these Gota. So I'm going to use the pink ones only. If you have taken a screenshot of this, here. So you can use these, like these pieces along with this also here. तो आप customize करवा सकते हैं अपनी सारी चीजें. It's Rachna from Nagpur who has done it. So is Rachna here? Rachna, can you please type in on the chat box if you are there? Because this set has come courtesy Rachna. So I would like for all of you to meet her. So though she's not here, so Rachna Swati Gadevar has put her number if anybody of you want to connect with Rachna. Yeah. So great. If you have seen this, I will ask my team. So I'm going to show you something more interesting. आप कहते हैं शालिनी ने बड़ी मेहनत कर रही है, ये है. So something very simple I'm going to teach you now. So what I have here are matching to these two candles, and can we, this candle doesn't have a, isme batti nahi hai. So I'm going to have two candles, and what I have is a matching beads. See this, just pour it in. Just pour it in. Go like this. And this is glass bead, not flammable. So koi issue nahi hai, bilkul bhi. And you have your matching tea lights ready. If you're using mixed media, there's no harm. Can you please light it also? Ye wala. Hanji, how do you find it? Tell me, how do you like it? The idea of having, can we have a small mirror, please? Okay, ab jala dijiye isko. How do you like it? Bilkul simple. Take the kaddana. These beads are called kaddana. You can take these kaddana and just pour it on a candle. These are glass, so they are not flammable. Agar aapko isko aur look dena hai, so you can have it like this. So any color, it takes 2 minutes. Buy some kaddana and he's going to light it for us. By the time we show, people can take the screenshots. Here, look at this. So easy, simple. Easy, simple. Thank you. So it's very easy to do. Have you all taken screenshots? So I'll get this removed to do my next design. So how many of you want to really see the next design? Tell me that. How many of you are keen? How many of you are keen to see the next design? But before that, अगर मैं आपको एक गिफ्ट और दूं तो चलेगा. तो प्रेयर के लिए आपको जाना है मैथ के इंस्टाग्राम पे. आप मुझे कहेंगे कि शालिनी आप कभी इस इंस्टाग्राम पे लेके जाती हैं, कभी उस इंस्टाग्राम पे लेके जाती हैं, कभी कैसे, पर मैं लेके इसलिए जाती हूँ कि एक बार आप मेरे पास आए तो मेरे दिल से बाहर ना जाए. तो दिस इज एन अटेम्प्ट to be friends for a life. So for prayer, people who want to join, please go to MAP Instagram and just save prayer. The link would be there. Another gift for you for tomorrow. How many of you are working? So I'm looking at my chat box here. How many of you are working? So I'm looking at my chat box here. Okay, Chistiana says me. Nidhi Kochari says me. Seema says me. So for you tomorrow, we are going to do a wonderful workshop on cashless marketing. बिजनेस को कैसे बढ़ाएं बिना पैसे खर्च करे, कैसा रहेगा कि पैसे भी ना लगे, हींग लगे ना फिटकरी और रंग चोखे का चोखा, कैसा रहेगा बताइए. मैं मारवाड़ी बनिया गर्ल, आई नो हाउ टू अर्न मनी. इफ यू वांट टू लर्न cashless marketing, and lot of fundas are there through WhatsApp, but how to make use of WhatsApp effectively to community building, but then how to influence it, then how to join us tomorrow for a 2-hour session, rather a 1.5-hour session. For that, you need to go to Shalini Beriwal Instagram, follow me and say money, that I want to earn money. So if you want to earn money, I'll be giving you loads and loads of fundas to earn without spending any money on marketing. How will that be? So today you saw 2 examples of that. When Swati Gadevar came on board, when our Rajni came on board, she has used an influencer community, mean they have used my community to create a brand value. No money. So how can you do the same with a lot of methodology? And even if you will do a 10% of what I'm going to show you, all the jugards again, believe me, you will grow your business to at least 100% at whatever turnover it is now. I promise you that. How many of you are going to join me tomorrow rather, for a cashless marketing session? Please type in yes. So the time, Sumita Diwan is going to type in. Please, a lot of S, Sumita, please type in the timing. What are the timings? Link will be given at Shalini Beriwal Instagram. So all of you who will write money on Shalini Beriwal Instagram, you will get the Zoom link there today by evening. How will that be? So let's take a minute. So I'm a success coach and my niche is only women. Women who wants to create financial freedom. Women who wants to own their life. Women who wants to take their own decision. Women, for her, relationship is a choice, not because somebody else is taking care of her. That is why she's into that relationship. For that, I train women to become financially free without uprooting them where they are. It's a beautiful balance of work and home. Will you like to be in that space? Join me tomorrow and go to Shalini Beriwal Instagram and type in money. Okay. So do we move to the new design? So Jyoti Hasija says she's done it. So do we move to the new design? Very interesting new design. So you need to give me yes. You need to give. So somebody is writing money here. So don't write money here. Write it on Shalini Beriwal Instagram and you get the Zoom link. You can invite your family. You can invite men also, because the fundas of marketing are the same. Invite your friends, your bhabis, your sisters, anybody. I have taken up a mission that I will be hand-holding 1,000 women entrepreneurs. So I started working at the age of 42. I know how it is. जब आप पढ़े लिखे नहीं ज़्यादा होते हो, जब आपको digitally कुछ नहीं पता होता है, but आप किसी काम में बहुत अच्छे होते हो. So all those women who want to grow, who want to start business, please do join me tomorrow. It's a free workshop. It's a gift to you. So आगे चलें? Okay, I need a lot of yes to move ahead. Please give me. So Anju Chopra says, I'm enjoying the session so much. Thank you, Anju. I'm enjoying your company. And thank you, all of you, for being here, for giving precious time of your life, seeing what I create. I'm fortunate. Heartiest gratitude to all of you, to Neena ji, to Kavita ji, to our Japanese ambassador, everybody. Thank you so much. 2 more designs to show, and believe me, that will tell you, wow, can we use things like this also? Are you ready to see these 2 unusual design? You can use it on your table, on your console, anywhere in the world. Okay, so let's move. So what I'm going to use is, I'm going to show you heliconias. How many of you have heard of this flower? Can I get the flower, please? So what? ये this is heliconia. मैंने इसका stem काट दिया. Can I see a stemmed heliconia पूरा बड़ा? क्या हम दिखा सकते हैं? एक बहुत ही unusual सा ये flower है. इंडिया में पहले इसके बारे में किसी को नहीं मालूम था. Now many of us know about it. I just love the simplicity of this flower. Look at this. The stem comes like this. This stem comes like this. इतना ये मोटा सा इसका पूरा stick होता है. And then there is a flower. It's so beautiful. So please hold this. मैंने इसकी stem को काटा है. I've cut the stem and I'm putting this here. Then I have another one. I'm putting this flower, crossing it to another. This is creating a center runner. Now, you have seen me doing a lot of twisting. Can I have the diamond chain? जो इसके stick मैंने काटे दोनों flowers के, उसमें मैंने ये डायमंड का चेन लगाया. सो मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ, आई ऑलवेज से दैट आई मस्ट बी इन सम पैलेस. आई लव डायमंड्स, मोती एंड ऑल सो मच. मे भी अब ये नहीं मुझे पता कि मैं रानी थी कि नौकरानी थी, पर ये बात पक्की है कि मैं किसी महलों में थी. आई जस्ट लव दीज डायमंड्स अ लॉट. सो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू हियर, आई एम गोइंग टू criss and cross into any kind of a pattern I create. It does not matter. I'm going to criss and cross these pieces here. And then what I have here is a jar. Can I have the beads, please? And the LED tea light. So I'm going to make myself some space where I put this on. Yahan lagaya maine isko. And here. So maybe I'll remove this and have it like this. Okay, so I have these pattis. Going to put some lights in, LED lights. Have these pattis in more. So बहुत diffuse सा light आएगा हमारे पास में, हल्का सा. So here. So I'm just having these lights. So everything has, people says you cannot compensate with the lighted diyas, but some things we can do with these only. So it's going to showcase. Can we have our lights little dim later on? Okay. So yeah, and it's a jar. If you want to serve some sweet dish and a setting, you can do that. Then I have these jars, these tea light holders, which I'm going to put in here. It comes here. This too, I fill with some flowers. And have a tea light in. Now the magic begins. Isko hata le. Do you see? I have this lace here. Scissor, please. This is a sari border which I have. I'm cutting it into pieces and take out a flower like this. Then I chop the flower off from the center. So I have chopped many, so I have many of these flowers. And when I have this here, I have this tea light candle. I'm going to go give it a little slit. Then fuse it here. So I have these tea lights, many of them. So, and there is no, you don't need to be afraid that it cannot be lighted. It can be lighted. Can we have our tea lights lighted, please? Can we light it? And by the time when my team is lighting these tea lights, can somebody help him, please? So that they light it fast. I'm going to, ये जो हमारे पास बचे हुए flowers, I'm going to remove this. And Okay, वहीं पे रख के आप जला लो. So this tea lights I'm going to place here. I'm going to place here. I'm going to place them here. ये देते जाइए मेरे को आप. Can we have our lights little dim so that the effect can be shown? We are going to have it here. We are going to have it here. And here. And जो ये flower मेरे पास में extra थे, you saw that I took out from the top. I'm just going to spread around. How do you like this? Can you believe it? कि एक 2 flowers and couple of sari border का flowers निकाला हुआ. It has made it a lovely centerpiece for your table. How is it? Loving it or not loving it? I need a lot of wow. I can see that. I can read the chat. Wonderful, amazing. So yeah, thank you. You know, I want to share something what I experienced yesterday. I was very stressed. There was an order to go and my people, Sumita was not well, Dolly was not available. In the evening, I thought, यार मैंने नीना जी को हाँ क्यों करी? हाँ क्यों किया मैंने? I'm right in the त्योहार का तरीका. But Neena ji, thank you. Because when I was creating one thing after the another, I realized one thing. Bhagwan ne, he has given an utmost, you know, strength to a human to grow in chaos. Whenever there is chaos in your life, I'm telling you again, when there is always a stress, a little anxiety, a chaos in your life, stay, put thamo and think, why is this universe creating this chaos? What is it creating in your life? So yesterday with orders going on, with people falling sick, not available, do you know how much I grew in that space? I realized in stress also, I can create beautiful stuff. I realized then in stress also, human beings has a capacity to do their best. नहीं तो मुझे ये लगता कि मैं 10 काम शायद इकट्ठे कर पाऊंगी कि नहीं कर पाऊंगी. Today, I am grown up. So my invitation to all of you is, if in life, anytime you feel stuck, anytime you feel stressed, look at yourself and look up and ask, मेरे लिए क्या नया हो रहा है? मैं कहाँ expand हो रही हूँ? मैं कहाँ powerful हो रही हूँ? मेरे लिए क्या नया है? You will be creating something very, very beautiful. So now with this, I'm coming down to my last design. Please remove this from here. They will take about 2 minutes. 2 minutes to remove all this from here. हाँ, वो हटाने के अंदर तब तक let's have a conversation regarding how a gift packaging industry works. What you see here, when you go to the market, how we packers work, we look at everything. We see beauty in everything. I always tell my students, no matter where you are, in Registan, on Pahad, in the middle of the sea, you should be able to create a beautiful packed gift because nature itself is so beautiful. Everywhere is a beautiful stuff. कहीं से भी आप जाएंगे तो आपको मिलेगा. कोशिश करिएगा आज शाम को, when you go for a evening walk, नहीं जाते हैं तो जाइएगा और चारों तरफ देखिएगा, आपको मालूम पड़ेगा कि दुनिया कितनी खूबसूरत है. So are you ready for the last design we are going to create? Are you ready? Please type in yes. Are you ready? Please type in yes. So I go ahead. So I got yes. Many of you are saying yes. So I want to show बड़ की वृक्ष कैसी होती है. Okay, my team says show how you have made the tea lights. Okay, so I made these tea lights. First, before I show this, how have we made the using the similar technique? Using the similar technique, I have cut these flowers, broken it from here, यहाँ से इसको काटा, and then I have a candle where I pasted it around the candle, and there are 2 layers pasted to create these beautiful tea lights. So the idea is that you don't need to really go to the market all the time to buy something. You can very well create things at home or suiting to your need. Just trust yourself, trust your instinct, so that higher intelligence, higher creativity works with you. No stress, enjoy. Go to the market, find your color combination, touch it, create, and it will be done, I promise you. So मैंने क्या किया? This is, you know what? ये क्या है? Who will tell me what this is? I have twirled around some golden dories to it. पर ये क्या है? Can somebody type in what it is? So ये गोल्डन डोरी मैंने इस पे ट्वेल करा है बीच बीच में. कोई मुझे बताएगा कि ये क्या है जो मेरे हाथ में है? बट मूली डिम्पी सेज ड्राई स्टेम एंड ओके बरगद. यस, सो दिस इज बरगद का पेड़ का जो लटकता हुआ जड़ टाइप का रहता है. इट इज दैट. सो आई हैव डन व्हाट आई हैव टेकन these dundies and I have sticks, and then I have put some dories to it. So I've taken many of it. Can you give me एक एक करके देंगे आप मुझे? So मैं इसे यहाँ लगा रही हूँ. यहाँ पे in a haphazard way. I don't have to use any. If you see in all my designs, I don't use any specific formation. This gives me ability to create in any condition, because मुझे कुछ को format ही नहीं करना है, कुछ भी specifically कुछ करना नहीं है. The only thing is I am a nature follower. I like the way nature works. So just trusting my instinct. I'm doing this here. So I'm doing this here. Right? Now, what I'm going to do, I'm just spreading it. I'm spreading it. Can I have that piece first? Yeah. An angel here. So ये एक hurricane है. This is an hurricane. It's generally used to light candle. It's a toughened glass hurricane. उसमें भी मैंने थोड़ा सा बड़का ये डाला है, and then I'm putting these stems on the top, and then stems on the top. Similarly, on a bowl, we have 2 bowls here. On a bowl, I have tied this badka roundel and tied it on the bowl. And banyan tree. So my son is standing here and telling, Mom, this is banyan tree. So I'm a Hindi medium educated. So for me, it's moral, not morale, you know. And my kids keeps on telling the Mom, it's morale. So sometimes Asia becomes Asia, sometimes becomes something. So I'm from Amritsar, so it's Canada. So it becomes Canada. So this is angel here, some golden angel here to match my dory. So I'm here. How many of you face the same thing? When the kids grow up, they are always want their moms to become happy, knowing all, isn't it? So my son has just shown me, is smiling and gone. It's beautiful to be with children, teaching you the new ways of life. So it comes here. So I'm putting it so that I need some little foundation. This is angel here, it is called. This is a kind of a residue of a metallic thread. So ये export होता है यहाँ से. It's not commonly available. I use it a lot. I told you I love diamonds and I love gold and I love pearl. So I'm using this, a little bit of it here. For all this, you need to do chakkar of the market, explore, go in and out of the shops, enjoy being in that space, right? अब हम क्या करने वाले हैं? Can we have those लटकने वाला flowers? जो purple flowers हमने. So when I went to yesterday, so I found these very interesting stuff here. So maybe somebody from the Ikebana Society would help me. What is the name? Even the guy could not give me the name. किसका नाम क्या है? So I'm removing some puppies from this. Can I have the scissor, please? Can somebody give me the name of this hanging flower? Even the guy who sold me did not have the name to it, but I bought it from him. Found it very interesting. Catkill. So I'm having it here. Just placing it here. Yeah. Like So I have another one here. Just going to place it on this here. Then another one here. And putting it here. I'm just taking out the greens because this was bought yesterday. They're gone little limp. And so this comes here. So I'm cutting off little stems, a small piece from here, and putting it on the smaller bowl to give it some color. And then putting some of it here, some of it here to give it a nice color, to make it a little bright. No, ये दे दीजिए. So इसको भी हम light कर दें अगर आपको ये ज़्यादा लग रहा है, so I think we can remove a little bit. I think it's a little more happening here. So we can always, मैंने scissor क्या किया? Now, we made those candles. And I'm going to put these candles here. We are going to put these candles here. So golden dory, golden candle. The deep brown color of a banyan tree. The deep brown color of the banyan tree. A beautiful golden angel here. So it's coming here. You need to choose your materials wisely, looking just to make it look. I think I'll have it here. And it's done. Can we have the lights little muted, please? Can we have the light little muted for you to people to see? Can you all see this? It's looking so beautiful. I love it. How is it? Yeah. So ठीक है, हो जाएगा. So I think now you get an idea. You get an idea how it is looking. Yeah. Okay. And you know, you don't really need to buy. I bought this, but then there are trees on the road. पुराने होते हैं वहाँ पे अगर आप किसी को बोलेंगे वो भी आपको तोड़ के देगा. But tell me, how do you like the look of it? How do you like the look of it? Tell me that. Tell me that. How do you like the look of it? So I need to. So absolutely beautiful. Somebody says, wow. So can you please show this? भैया को बुलाओ. No? Can you please? So natural. ऐसे नहीं लगता है कि जैसे बिल्कुल कहीं पे सुनसाने में एकदम से रोशनी आ गई हो. And if you know, you can create these, you can use these stems again and again. Like if I've made this and if I keep it well, it will last me a long time. It's going to last me a long time. It's going to be beautiful. So Neena ji, with this, my creativity, which I created for you for this program, I've shown everything. And again, to all of you, thank you so much for giving me this precious time of your life. I'm nobody if you are not there. I'm nobody if it is not your eyes to see what I do. I'm nobody if it's not you hearing me. Thank you for making me somebody. Thank you so much for being in my life. And don't forget to join prayer. And don't forget to join tomorrow's session of Cashless Marketing so that we meet again. Thank you so much. Neena ji, over to you.
On behalf of Delhi Ikebana International, I would like to thank Mrs. Shalini Beriwal and her entire team for guiding and inspiring us on how to make our Diwali special. I'd like to thank you in the words of Albert Einstein. Your innovative skills of taking things that already exist and assembling them in a way that has not been thought of is just marvelous. Your creations have depicted the beauty of celebrations. I would now like to thank Madam Chikagi Suzuki, Directors of Ikebana International Headquarters, Tokyo, senior teachers, various chapter heads, and all you lovely Ikebana friends for joining us in this Diwali celebration. On behalf of the entire family of Delhi Ikebana International, we wish you a festival full of cherished memories, happiness and health, joy and hope. Have a crackling Diwali and a beautiful season filled with the joy of family and the happiness of friendship. Happy Diwali!